Hey guys, for this video I will show you how to fix the issue of Discord not opening on iPhone. So let's get started. The first method is to delete and re-download Discord. Hold the Discord icon and press on Remove App. Then go to the App Store and download it again. See if you can open Discord after doing this. The next method is to update Discord. You can also do this on App Store and it should show up on this app's page. Third method is to open Control Center by swiping down from the top right, enabling airplane mode, and then turn off airplane mode after 15 to 20 seconds. This allows your phone to reset its connection. And lastly, if all these do not work, go to your iPhone storage under General and tap on Discord. So press show all and let's see, I'll scroll down here. There, Discord. Now from here, I can offload the app to remove its cache and data. And after doing this, try opening the app again. I hope these methods worked for you to open Discord, and thank you for watching.